welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. We are continuing our polishing on the Supra. And first of all, I want to thank you guys for subscribing, liking, commenting. If you guys could do that on this video, that'd be really awesome. If you guys helps the algorithm. We have installed the door. We've installed the door panel. And we got our fender on. Our lines match up very nicely. Now we're working on the other side, polishing this. And last video I did a test panel on the original paint on this side, but I didn't like how the single step, or this is like step 2, I didn't like how it looked on the back, so use the rotary, cut through the paint. This is already polished. You guys are gonna see the clip of, or the time lapse of polishing this. The top part, I polished this twice because I didn't like how it came out the first time. I think I could have done better, so now, second time around, it's looking much better in my opinion. I started the door, but this week, we're gonna continue finishing up what is left of this side and the trunk and our bumper. And hopefully we could pull it out, see it in the sunlight on Saturday if it doesn't rain, but for now it looks like it's raining, so we'll see how that works out. But we also have some unfortunate news on our bumper, on our front bumper. Right here, didn't work out as planned. We thought this was all covered up, but in fact, when we put up the front splitter that comes on the car, this is still showing. And as you can tell, it's not painted. So we're gonna have to repaint that. And right next to it is the diffuser. And it did have some minor scratches in it. I think it's salvageable, so we're gonna see how it comes out. If we can paint it, match it, as well as the rest of the plastic kit on the car. Gonna keep it. If not, I'll just lie to you and say we bought it brand new, but it's gonna look perfect. So that needs to get painted up. Our bumper needs to get repainted again. But other than those minor inconveniences and setbacks, the car's coming along well. So continuing polishing. Right now, heading off to BMW because the Supra is really a BMW motor, and I need to get some coolant for the car, so hopefully pull it out this weekend and show you guys it in the sun if the weather permits. But yeah, pick up our coolant, head back to the shop, get some more work done on the paint. A little Red Bull for the road. Welcome back. It's the next day. You guys saw I did pick up our coolant for the Supra. Picked up yesterday, but I forgot to pick up some distilled water, so I picked that up this morning before we came to the shop. And also, we threw the car a bit more together before I started filming. So right now we have our wheel on, bumper on, and I'm continuing polishing. We'll do a review on that in like the next clip, but all this is on right now. We got left to polish our lower bumper, this gas cap, our side skirt, fender, and the A-pillar on this side. And I have to finish off the door, side skirt, and fender on this side, plus a little bit of the hood because I had a few scratches, but finished the A-pillar on this side. And I'm hoping we're gonna be pulling it out. It did rain. I'm gonna leave the link that I used to buy this exact one in the description if you guys want it to. But Rupes LHR15 Random Orbital Polisher. Highly recommend. Like, I had the Chemical Guys one. I'll be honest with you guys, this one knocks it out of the park. The other one was just like a really, like, I spent 300 bucks on it. I think I got like the kit, and it's not worth it because this one's like 500 with shipping, I think. And I wish I just bought this one right away and haven't wasted my money on the first one that I bought, because a year later, or now 2 years later, I realized that one, the motor on it was a lot less powerful. It just didn't do well, to be honest. Like, the fine polishing, it didn't do well. It's really slow, but I learned with it, and now this one, I like it a lot more. Well, boys, I gotta keep it a buck with you guys. This is probably one of the hardest cars I've ever had to polish. And I mean, I'm over here basically working off the floor. You guys saw probably in the time lapse, I'm laying on the floor trying to polish the bottom of the side skirt. I mean, it's working out pretty good, but it's just really a lot of time put into this thing, and I want to finish this thing up so we could pull it out today. But I still got half of this door left, a fender left, and a portion of the hood, and obviously the bumper, which isn't done yet. So still got quite a bit to go. I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to knock it out, pull this thing out, wash it off, and see it. Hopefully the sun comes out today, but I'm not sure if it's gonna. It's a rainy day. It was raining today, so I don't know if the sun's gonna come out. But yeah, I didn't record none of the polishing over like the rear bumper and this side because I'm really just trying to get this thing done and outside. But it's coming out well. Just want to say that this is probably one of the harder cars to polish because of all the intricate angles this thing has and all that. So yeah, let's keep working. Filling up our coolant, bleeding it, getting ready to take her outside. sun ended up coming out, so we got the Supra outside. The water's running. Better get the power washer out, wash this thing down, and see how the work came out. You can see it's dusty over here, so hopefully with the pressure washer be able to get all that off without touching it with the sponge, and see how well our buffing job came out. And if you guys notice, this side has the new wheels, or stock wheels, but powder coated black. So we come over to this side, and yes, we are missing still our diffuser. It has the stock ones with the stock tire setup. So yeah, powder coated wheels look much better. We are missing a few pieces in some spots, but overall everything is almost on. Well, it's starting to warm up out here. Oh, it's time to wash this thing. The paint looks really good, brand new. This is the side that was hit. Looks like nothing even happened now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna be putting the car back in the garage, and if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, share it to someone, and hopefully next week we'll keep working on this thing.